Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable JavaScript in Safari on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Safari. Next, go down to the bottom and then tap on Advanced. Then in here, we go down and then tap on JavaScript. Tap on the JavaScript toggle button to turn off or switch on JavaScript in Safari. Now, most of the websites use JavaScript. So if you turn off JavaScript, you may find that a lot of the website will fail to load properly. So if that happens, you may want to go in here and switch it on. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.